What is going on, everyone? Welcome to another video from Featured Tech. In this video, I'm going to be discussing what I think to be the best accessories for your AirPods Max headphones. And if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe for more great videos like this. Now let's get into the video. The first accessories I want to talk about is the silicone cover for the Earcups and the headband. Now these are sold as a set for $12.99 on Amazon. I'm going to leave a link to all the accessories down below. Now, as far as the silicone cover for the Earcups, it has all the appropriate cutouts for the openings for the mics. Also down here, you have the opening for your charger. So everything is good on that front. Now, as far as the headband, you wouldn't think about it much about why you would need a cover for your headband. But if you're somebody like myself who wears like products from time to time, like gel or whatever on my head, it's important to actually have some kind of protection up here. And this is why. I don't know if you can see. This is the result of anybody that puts any type of product or gels, or even if you have wet hair out of the shower and you're using these headphones, it's just not a good idea to not use them without any type of protection for the headband up top. Moving on to the second accessory, which is the Toluohu. I believe I'm saying that right. I don't know if I am. If I'm not, my bad. But it's the Toluohu Headband cushion. Now, I already talked about the silicone headband cover for underneath the headband, but these are for the top of the AirPods Max. And this is actually important if you're using these headphones outside or on the go, on the bus, where there's a possibility of outside debris, and that can land inside. Now, if you're planning to get the headband silicone cover that goes down here and the Toluohu, cushion up top, it's going to be a very tight fit. But as you can see, I managed with a little bit of, pushing in, I managed to get it in without any problem. As you can see, I can stretch it out and nothing is popping out. So it's definitely doable, but it is going to be a tight fit, and I can also remove it just like that. So this is a cool accessory if you're looking to protect not only the bottom of the headband, but the top as well. The third accessory is this protective case, which is an alternative to this purse-looking protective case that is not very protective, that was included with your AirPods Max purchase. Now, the cool thing about the soft case is the fact that it puts the AirPods Max in low power battery mode, because the AirPods Max never turn off. Now, the cool thing about this case is because of its design, when you store your AirPods Max inside, if you see this piece that's popping out, that puts your AirPods Max in low power battery mode, and it fits perfectly inside, and there you go. And then also you have this nice hexagon design, and it's nice and soft. You don't have to worry about scratching your AirPods Max. It's great. I have a bunch of accessories, as you can tell, installed on my AirPods Max, and I have no problem closing in the case using the zipper, just like that. And then once you do, you have this nice handle that you can just use to carry the AirPods Max wherever you're going. The cool thing about this case is that it's only 24 bucks. So for any of you guys that are looking for a budget-friendly case to protect your AirPods Max, that also puts your AirPods Max in low battery or low power mode, this is a great choice. The next accessory I want to talk about is this microfiber cleaning cloth by Uppr. Now, this is not the first time I talk about Uppr on my channel, and neither has it been the first time using their products. I actually use their microfiber cleaning cloth for my MacBook as well. But the reason why I got this is, first of all, it's smaller. They do sell different sizes of this microfiber cloth. This one is 6.3 inches by 6.3 inches, so it's very reasonably sized. And then it costs $8, and for that $8, you're getting a pack of 4. So here's the 1, and you got 1, 2, and 3. So really excellent value for the $8 that you're spending. As far as the cleaning cloth, I got it because sometimes the headphone gets dirty, and instead of me using my fingers, which are already oily, I can use this microfiber cleaning cloth to just clean up the headphone. And heck, if you have other stuff around your house that you can use this for to clean it, why not? The final accessory I would like to talk about is this headphone stand. Now, I was shopping for a lot of headphone stands out there, and there's a bunch of them out on the market. But the reason why I went with this is a couple of reasons. First, the build quality is really nice for this. It's made out of this hard plastic, as you can hear. And the other cool thing is the flexible headband at the top, the one that holds the headband of the headphone, is flexible. So it's not going to be hard on the top of your headphone where it can ruin the headband over time. And then the best thing about this whole headphone stand is that it's only $7.99, which is, comparing to other headphone stands on the market, this is a steal. So this was my video on what I think to be the best AirPods Max accessories. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe. It definitely helps out the channel. And if you have any questions, leave them down below. Hope you have a great day. Take care.